Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and today I create this very basic blood effect from scratch so you can understand better, and let's start this tutorial. So as I'm covering all tutorial in UE 5.1, so today we are here on this blood. So in this 4 years of tutorial I created that blood effect and created that texture in Photoshop. So let's do that again and let's create the effects in UE 5.1 this time. So you will be updated how to do that. So first in Photoshop you need to create a texture. So I'll just take a new canvas 1K, and you can just create random things. So like you have this black and I take the white color, and in the new page I'm taking that pencil and just painting like this. I'm painting randomly.